everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie and here this week piece video. I painted this dresser, small dresser or chest of the drawers a while ago on this gold rose metallic paint. It was not sold. I decided to repaint this dresser again, and was so funny because another challenge comes out, Unique Antique Challenge. I'm so very happy to participate in another challenge. This will be French Provincial FLRL, hosting by Crafty Scratch DIYs and Furniture Flippers. I hope I spelled well. The co-author by round 2 challenge winner, First Rhine Furniture. I'll link the names below. For this challenge need you be a piece of furniture on French Provincial style, antique or vintage. This is a vintage piece from 1984. The plans I have for this dresser is paint in off pink and make transfers, florals. Let's go to start and enjoy the process. In the middle of my project, I changed my mind. Stay tuned and stay until the end here for you see why I changed my mind. I'm going to make florals. I bought this redesign with Prima molds with the flowers. I'm going to use these two parts. Is the part A and part B together to make my flowers. Need to be equal parts. Already placed some of my flowers where I want them to be. I'm going to use this glue and I apply with the brush. I'm going to primer my dresser with Zinsser 123 primer, just because this is metallic paint. I already primered before, but for sure my paint stick on this metallic. I'm going to use the roller and the sheep brush. apply Behr Shark paint in color half of white. I'm apply with my paint spray gun. Of course, I use my safety mask and light sandy between coats. Where I have wax, where I don't want, I use mineral spirit. Hi guys, Maggie here from Furniture Mama, and here my project done. I'm so happy to participate in this challenge, Unique Antique Challenge, hosted by Crafty Crates, DIYs and Furniture Flips. I hope I say well, and thank you so much for hosting this awesome challenge where several and others flippers furniture participate too. I'm so very happy to participate on this one. I'm so very happy to create this amazing piece, and I thank the guys who was curious why I changed my mind, and on the beginning I says I will paint this dresser in off pink, and I changed my mind because this dresser. The reason I'm changed my mind with my chest of drawers and decide to paint in white was because this dresser. One customer coming and asked me if I paint this dresser in white and silver. She lived in a building apartments, and the building was fired and she lost everything. That's why I decided match my chest of drawers with this dresser and give to her just a little help. And this dresser comes out so very well, so nicely, And the first time I'm mold my flowers, but I'm so happy how this dresser turns out. I'm going to gift this my dresser to my client. Is that one you like it? Yeah, that gold one.
I never seen nothing like it before.
And
it looks so crazy. I mean, I never seen nothing. You know, it looks different.
You're so crazy. And I just add these flowers, but turns out so very well. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.